All right, welcome back, guys and gals and pooches. Hey, guys. So we're gonna now look at the elimination method. So let's not waste any time because the elimination method is a very powerful method. So the idea is to eliminate a variable. You got the variables x and y. These are some good x's and some good y's. But you can't just eliminate them by saying, "Oh, go away." Don't just erase them. You gotta do something to the coefficients. You gotta either make the 2 and the 5 the same number, or the 6 and the -3 the same number. Oh my god, the itches on my nose. It doesn't matter what you do, which one you do. You can look for a number that 2 and 5 both go into. You can say make 10, make them both 10. Make 10. Or you want to maybe make both these 6. Make 6. What the? Actually, make 6. So let's go with that. And that's probably my initial instinct. Now, how do you do that? Hey guys, you gotta do some math. So the math we're gonna do is, this is already a 6. See? So you just keep it the same. As we transport to the other side, here we rewrite the same thing. So 2x plus 6y equals -8. Nice. Now here, you gotta make the -3 into 6 by multiplying by 2. And it could be -6 or +6. I'll show you why in a minute. So don't worry about that. Just do whatever. Just do some type of 6. So you would multiply this by 2. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. But not just the 3. Multiply the 5, the -3, and the 88 by 2. So 10x minus 6y. 88 times 2 is 190, 180, 176. And line these all up. Bang, line up. Just like the barbershop. You gotta get that cut with the hole. Hold up. Now, why? Because we're gonna go back to elementary school. I'm gonna burp here, guys. Panda Express. Oh yeah. Hey guys. So we eliminate the 6's by adding them. Actually, let's do it. I hate things. Let me make this plus very powerful. It's big. You add, because when you add 6 and -6, you get 0y, which is just 0. Let's just write 0y for dramatic effect. But we add now also 2x and 10x, 12x, plus 0y equals -8 plus 176. 168? Yep. And we just solve for x by dividing by 2. Let me get the right cap here. All right. We're good now. Divide by 12. And we'll get that x is 12, 114, right? Yes. Very tall 14. All right, don't worry though. The fun ain't done yet. What we gotta do is now solve for y. Any y's. Let's solve for this one because it looks the coolest. Let's transport over here. This red's almost done. So we plug in 14 for this x. So 2 times 14 plus 6y equals -8. And we do the math and solve for y. All right, you gotta get down low to focus. Take away 28. Divide by 6. We get y is -6. We combine them to make the ordered pair. 14, -6. Hooray. So we're good. Yes, we are. We're great. All right, let's do one more. Only one more, though, because I don't want to spoil you guys. I don't want your parents to get mad and saying, like, my son and daughter, they don't want to do anything but do math because they just love it. And, they got to focus on, what else is there actually to focus on? Math. Maybe Panda Express. Anyways, basketball, actually. Yeah, basketball. If anybody is wants a job to be a professional whiteboard eraser, I'm willing to pay nothing, but you get a good workout. All right, let's do one more. We forgot this one. You're gonna love it. Just love this one because they see a decimal. 0.5x plus y equals 4. And below this, we got negative 2x minus 2y equals negative 6. Now, don't cancel the video yet because this is actually a real problem. You can solve this. Students tend to freak out and more than normal. They decimal, that's impossible. Can I have a calculator? And they start opening up like a quantum physics book, and they start, asking, AI, and the AI doesn't know. It explodes. But again, understand it's just a number, very intimidating number. So let's think. You want to make both of these 2. Make 2. Or this is like a 1y. But yeah, both of them can be 2s. But let's make this one so we deal with that decimal. You guys, you get over here. Oh wait, hold on. Whoops. You would multiply this by 4. Multiply by 4. 4 times 0.5x is 2x plus 4y is equal to 4 times 4, 16. 16. Keep this the same. See where you got a 2 or negative 2. Same old. Negative 2x minus 2y. Negative 2x minus 2y equals negative 6. All right, now we do the elimination. Come on, man. This thing's... All right, number line. So add these guys. So when you add 2 and negative 2, you get 0x. Yeah, they go away. 4y plus negative 2y is 2y. 16 plus negative 6 is 10. And we get, it's disappeared. It's gone. Y is 5. Y is 5. And we'll finish off with the grand finale, solving for x. Should we go? Let's actually mess with your... Let's actually go back to the original where it all began. Let's go here. So you can face your fear and deal with 0.5x. So we get 0.5x plus 5 equals 4. Take away 5. Maybe I should do red. Hey, everybody. Well, I should have done that in red. Whatever. 0.5x equals negative 1. Hey, guys. You can divide by 0.5 or multiply by 2. Just understand that it's possible. I would multiply by 2. Let me just do that because it's how my brain works better. Because it's just a half. But dividing by 0.5x, dividing by 0.5 is the same, so we get x is negative 2. But bang! Shabam, you combine them. Negative 2, comma, and 5. Looks like negative 25. Is that like actually good? And then screw this. What if you thought the whole entire video was good except for this? Then you like give me a thumbs down and well, it was worth it. I tried. All right. So the answer is negative 2, comma 5. Is that correct? Yes, it is. Success. All right. So there you go. Hope this helps. Feedback is always welcome. I am a teacher, so I'm used to being criticized. I can take it, but tips to do better. And let me know if this looks good. And be honest. But